Hello friends, so we quickly discuss about some basics of VFD. So VFD stands for variable frequency drive, and it is also called adjustable speed drive, or it can maybe also called variable voltage variable frequency drive. Why it is called variable voltage variable frequency drive? Because we are varying the both voltage and frequency together, and in this way we are making V by F ratio constant, and in this way we can control the starting current of the motor. So it works on the principle of V by F control, and along with that we can control the speed of the induction motor, and along with that we can also control the torque of the motor. So that's why we are seeing in the industry nowadays we are using induction motor used along with the VFD. And VFD also electronic device. We are using many types of power electronic switches and devices together, like rectifier circuit we use on the input side of the VFD, inverter circuit we use on the output side or the motor side of the VFD, and in between rectifier and inverter circuit we are using filter circuit like capacitor and inductor to filter out the DC component what we get from the rectifier. Okay, and by using VFD we can control the starting current, speed can be controlled, torque can be controlled, and power factor also we can be improved by this. So in this way, that's why we use VFD, and VFD now are most popular in the industries also. Thank you.